happened again. Wait, not again. It happened this one time. And this one time, my mom with the kitty got me Burger King. Burger King. But instead of vampire nuggets, we got no more nuggets. What's wrong? Why do they not have the normal vampire nuggets for Halloween? Halloween's only in like 5 days. I'm gonna give you a word with my mom. Say something.
What is this world coming to? My son is ready for Halloween, but Burger King is not.
They're not in the Halloween spirit. Because they got me. They got my mom and me. No more chicken nuggets instead of vampire nuggets!